Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed that the external IP address changes when we restart our virtual machine. So how we can get the static external IP address? Let's discuss. So here we will discuss that how we can get a permanent and let me be clear that this is not the best way to get a static IP, but for now we'll go with the direct and quickest method, but in future we will discuss other methods. So the solution is to allocate a static IP address to our virtual machine. So let us see a practical how we can get the static IP address. So for that I came into my Google Cloud Platform, and in the search bar we had to write VPC. Then you have to go to the VPC Networks tab. So as you can see, I am here at the VPC Networks tab, and you have to click on the IP addresses. Then as you can see, I have here two IP address and both are ephemeral, means they both are temporary. But how can I make a static external IP address? So for that you have to click on reserve external. Then you have to name your external IP address. So right now I am making a first X IP. So in short I have written this. And next this will ask you to select the network service tier. I am going with the default one. The IP version type will be IPv4, and here make sure that you choose the same region as your virtual machine so you don't have any issue here. This will ask you to attach this particular IP to your virtual machine. So right now we have only one virtual machine, so I am getting this and clicking on the reserve. So this will take a minute. So as you can see that I have created an external IP address in front of you which is static. It means this is the permanent external IP address, and this is in use by my first VM instance. So if you have seen before, there were two IP addresses, but the first one is replaced by this and that one has gone. So this is how you can create an external IP address. And if you go to the VM instance, then you can also see that the IP address of it is also changed. So as you can see that here the IP has also changed, and if you click on that you will have our content visible to you. As you can see, this is working perfectly fine. So now what if I stop the server and start it again? So let that stop. So as you can see, our VM has stopped, but the external is visible. It means this is not changed. And if I restart it again, this will show me the same IP address as visible here. So as you can see that we have the same IP address as we saw before. So this is how you can create a static external IP address. In today's video we saw a way how can we get a permanent external IP address, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.